Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the upper freezer door hinge on this GE refrigerator, you will need a 5/16" nut driver and tape. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use tape to secure the freezer door. Pry the upper hinge cover off and use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the hinge. You can now lift off the old hinge. To install the new upper door hinge, align it on the door and cabinet, and thread the 2 screws to secure. Snap the hinge cover into place and remove the tape. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.